Hello. For anyone that is having an issue with scorpions and have tried just about everything or everything and are going crazy with it, there is a solution out there, and it is a proven solution. 5 years now with 100% success rate. Our system completely keeps scorpions out of the home. No doubt about it, without pesticides and permanently. It's a one-time installation for the life of your home. Scorpions, as you might know, cannot climb smooth surfaces, i.e. glass, polished metal. So, what we do is we put a glass barrier on the very lowest portion of the home, normally on the stem wall. Now, let's go underneath here and take a look. Over here, this is, of course, the pest border barrier. Right above it, you can see there's a hole in the footing. That's a weep hole. Every number of inches, you'll see another one. These holes are there so that air flows through your wall and keeps the wood dry. Well, not only does it do that, but it gives an entry for insects, and especially scorpions, into your walls. All day long, completely all around your house, there's hundreds of them. Now, your home sealing company is never going to tell you about it, unless they're real honest. So home sealing is fine. It reduces the entry points into your home for scorpions, but it doesn't eliminate it. Our system eliminates it. Scorpions do not dig, they do not jump, and they do not fly. The only way a scorpion can get into your home is by climbing on it, into a weep hole, through the roof tiles, the doors, etc. Here, they can't get on your home at all. The home is completely surrounded with a glass barrier. Even the pillars are columns. So there's no way a scorpion can get onto the house and into the house. I'm going to travel around here a little bit. Maybe answer some questions that might arise. What do you do when there's a wall connected to the house? Well, we go up the side of the house, over the top of the wall, and back down again. So anything on the wall comes to the barrier, and he either turns around, goes back the other way, or goes down back to the ground and not onto your home. Here we have a polished metal strip going across the door. Sometimes we do it in glass. Now you might ask, what about the plumbing connected to the house? What do you do about that? Well, see this white ring over here? That's actually Teflon. And, believe it or not, it's smoother than glass. Every pipe or wire or conduit that makes contact with the home is protected with Teflon so that a scorpion cannot climb up the pipe and onto the home. By the way, our pest border does stop 90% of all other insects. See, scorpions do not have what's called a roli, which is that sticky suctionability on the tip of their appendage or their feet. Without that, the pest needs texture to climb. There are many, many, many bugs that you'll find in your house that don't have a roli, cannot climb. smooth surfaces. So, the border not only stops scorpions 100%, but it'll reduce the amount of insects you have in your house by 90 to 95%, if not more. As you can see, it goes underneath the doors. It's just continuous. Completely surrounds the home. And now you've just seen another pest border installation. This one in Avondale, Arizona. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.